had a baby. And after you have a baby, obviously there's different changes with your body, and it was something that I wanted to try out and see if it would help, whether it was to tightening everything up and also helping with my bladder, because I know maybe not after your first kid, but your second kid, sometimes going to the restroom can be an issue with your bladder after having a kid or two. So I thought I'd kind of get ahead of the game and do it after my first one. I was seeking out things for the incontinence, but I never knew that there was anything like this as an option. I was actually just trying Kegels and, you know, looking up different vitamins, even though I know that was probably something that wouldn't work, but just Googling incontinence and what could help it. And when I mentioned it to my girlfriend, she had mentioned Emsella, and it was a game changer for me, so I made an appointment right away. The sensation physically, if I'm gonna be honest with you, felt kind of like you were sitting on a vibrator that was not getting the job done. So that's what I would probably say, honestly, that it really felt like. I was able to go back to normal activities completely fine. I actually went to a spin class right after a few of my treatments. So I went back to working out, went back to having sex with my husband, all the normal activities. I would absolutely have Emsella performed again so that I can continue not having incontinence and my husband being a happy camper.